7 tiny habits that will make you mentally strong in 2026. You ever have those days where one tiny thing absolutely destroys your mood? Like you drop your pen in class, or your Wi-Fi lags for 2 seconds, and suddenly you're questioning your whole life? Yeah. That used to be me, every single day. Until I started doing a few small habits that literally changed how my brain reacts to stress. And the crazy part? They're tiny. Like, ridiculously tiny. So today I'm giving you 7 habits that will make you mentally stronger in 2026. Not, wake up at 5 a.m. Not, read 100 books. Just the stuff that actually works when life feels heavy. Let's get into it. Habit 1, the 10-second rule for overthinking. Here's the problem, most of us don't break tasks because they're hard. We break because our brain creates a movie about how everything will go wrong. The 10-second rule kills that. Whenever you start spiraling, stop and ask yourself, what can I do in the next 10 seconds that moves me 1% forward? Not finish the assignment. Not fix your entire life. Just 10 seconds. Open the doc. Put your phone away. Write one sentence. This breaks the overthinking loop and makes you mentally stronger by training your brain to act before anxiety takes over. Habit 2 is even simpler but way more powerful. Habit 2, the 1-minute reset. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, pause. Set a timer for 60 seconds. And clean one tiny thing around you. Your desk. Your notes. Your tabs. Your mind. When your environment shifts, your mental state shifts with it. Students underestimate how much chaos around them creates chaos inside them. 1 minute. 1 reset. 1 fresh start. Habit 3, screens last, morning rule. This one hurt me personally. If you're like me, you wake up, grab your phone, and suddenly it's 40 minutes later and you've learned literally nothing except that someone on TikTok has a perfect morning routine. Here's the rule. Screens are not allowed until you've done one thing for you. Drink water. Stretch. Open your window. Make your bed. Anything. It gives your brain a win before the world starts demanding things from you. And mentally strong people? They start their day on purpose, not in reaction mode. Habit 4, the 1 honest line journal. Pause. Let me guess. You've tried journaling before and quit after 2 days because you wrote, I don't know what to write. 10 times. Same. So here's the version that actually works. Every night, write 1 honest sentence about your day. That's it. I was tired but I still studied. I procrastinated and I'm annoyed at myself. I felt lonely today. I'm proud of how I handled things. 1 sentence turns into self-awareness. Self-awareness turns into mental strength. And it only takes 20 seconds. Habit 5, the 3-3-3 strategy for stressful days. When everything hits you at once, deadlines, exams, pressure, do this. 3 minutes to breathe. 3 tasks you're committing to. 3 things you're letting go of today. It cuts through the mental noise. You tell your brain, this is what matters. Everything else can wait. It's simple. It's realistic. And it keeps you from melting down when life gets loud. Habit 6, practice 1 micro-bravery per day. This one changed my confidence more than anything else. A micro-bravery is something slightly uncomfortable that pushes your courage a tiny step further. Raise your hand in class. Ask a question. Send the message you've been avoiding. Apply for the internship. Go to the gym alone. Nothing crazy. Just one tiny action that tells your brain, I do scary things, and I survive. Mental strength grows from these small risks, not from big dramatic changes. And trust me, habit 7 brings them all together. Habit 7, the future you. Check in. Before you go to bed, ask yourself one question. Did I do something today that my future self will thank me for? It could be studying for 20 minutes. Cleaning your room. Saying no to something draining. Or actually going to sleep early for once. This habit reconnects you with your long-term goals. It keeps you grounded. And it builds identity. You stop seeing yourself as someone who tries. And start seeing yourself as someone who shows up. Identity equals mental strength. These habits are small. Almost too small. But that's why they work. Mental strength isn't built in huge dramatic moments. It's built in the tiny decisions you make every single day. So here's my challenge. Pick one habit from this video and try it tonight. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Tonight. And if you want to keep leveling up with me in 2026, hit that subscribe button, join the community, and let's become the strongest version of ourselves together. We've got this. Flexed biceps fire.